1. Get your green tea on. This herbal tonic gives you the benefits of L-theanine, a chemical that can help reduce the body's stress responses. Trusted source. Plus, just staring at a mug of the green liquid on your desk might calm you. 2. Thanks to the earthy color's ability to soothe. Trusted source. 2. Chillax with some chocolate when you need a quick break. Break off a square of dark chocolate to boost your brain health and reduce stress. Trusted source. As an added bonus, dark chocolate is lower in sugar than milk chocolate, but it hits the sweet tooth sweet spot. 3. Help yourself to a little honey. The amber elixir from our buzzy friends may help relieve anxiety, fight off depression, and even protect the brain. Trusted source. Drizzle honey in your tea, coffee, yogurt, or just go straight for the jar with a spoon. The sweet stuff also works for a quick energy boost. 4. Go tropical. Take a 5-minute break to peel, slice, and bite into a juicy mango. Weird fact: mangoes contain a compound called linalool, the main ingredient in lavender essential oil. And you know what lavender does? It may reduce stress and anxiety. Trusted source. 5. Chomp some chewing gum. Maybe you're stuck in annoying traffic, frantically cleaning the house before your in-laws show, or hammering out that final term paper. Chewing gum is an easy way to keep the stress monster at bay while potentially boosting your mood and productivity. Trusted source. 6. Crunch and munch. Instead of clenching your jaw, may as well put it to work. Trail mix, an apple, or some celery sticks provide a satisfying crunch to curb your spiral. Find some inner peace. 7. Meditate. No need to go on a week-long silent retreat with zen-looking yogis to snag some serenity. It doesn't require completely clearing your mind, either. You can meditate in as little as 1 minute with visualization techniques. Give it a go before that meeting where you know Gretchen's going to get on your nerves. 8. Get your head below your heart. Put your head between your knees or stand and hang your head and arms toward your toes. Getting your noggin below your heart has restorative effects on the autonomic nervous system, ANS, lessening your reactivity to the fight or flight response. Trusted source. 9. Connect with your breath. You're probably already breathing unless you're holding your breath. We tend to do that when we're in a tizzy. Whether you're holding in your air, taking shallow sips of it, or hyperventilating, you might be adding to the stress response in your body. The good news is that taking slow, full breaths can calm you. Try a quick breathing exercise to get back to a more relaxed state. 10. Give yourself a squeeze. You know how your cat will go all rigid for a second, tensing all those kitty muscles, and then relaxing them? That looks kind of good, right? Well, you can try it too, or a version of it anyway. Progressive relaxation involves tensing and releasing muscles, body part by body part. You may not have time to do your whole frame in 5 minutes, but just arms, shoulders, neck, and head will suffice. Hey, press that I button to watch similar helpful videos. 1. Say your ABCs backward. Nope, it's not an IQ test, but it is a strangely reliable way to chill. Saying the alphabet in reverse temporarily shifts your focus from worrying about your upcoming date or pending performance review. It's fine to play tricks on yourself once in a while. Counting backward can also do the trick. 2. Visualize what you want or need. Creative visualization is a mindfulness exercise developed by Shakti Gawain in her book Creative Visualization. The technique involves mentally imagining what you want to happen in your life or how you want to feel. It can slay stress fast. 3. Close your peepers. A little darkness behind your lids can help shut out the external factors causing you trouble. Stressors may look a little different when you open your eyes, ready to face the world again. Treat your body to some respite. 4. Massage your hands rather than wringing your hands with worry. Treat them to a little TLC instead. Just a 5-minute hand massage could help relieve anxiety, one study shows. Trusted source. Rub your favorite cream into your palms. Massage each joint and the webbing between each finger. Clench and release your fists. Then flex your wrists. The stretch will help relieve tension from endlessly tapping at your keyboard or scrolling through your phone. 5. Try acupressure when you're already stressed. The last thing you might want is more pressure. But acupressure may help alleviate anxiety, according to a recent study. Trusted source. Acupressure is like the non-poke Y version of acupuncture. It aims to stimulate the body's natural healing processes. Use your fingers to find the 2 divots where your neck muscles attach to your skull. Press firmly for 15 seconds to relieve neck tension. 6. Roll a tennis ball under your feet. Borrow Fido's gross toy for just a minute unless it's got slobber on it. A lacrosse or golf ball will do the trick too. Gently roll the ball under your arches, stopping to apply more pressure when you find a tender spot. 7. Take your frustration out on a stress ball. It's okay to be angry at times. Stress can bring on rage, and what's important is how you deal with that fiery emotion. It might be tempting to throw your laptop out the nearest office window or lay on your horn in traffic, but squeezing a stress ball is a safer and cheaper option. 8. Splash cold water on your face, head to the loo and turn on the cold tap. Cool your hands and face with H2O and dab some on your pulse points. Cold water has an energizing effect. But it can also calm you if your body temp is rising after a sticky convo with your partner or a beef with your boss. 9. Massage your scalp. Is your to-do list making you want to pull your hair out? Hair tugging is actually a massage therapy technique that can help reduce head tension and bring on relaxation. Pull your hair gently so that you feel the scalp lift slightly. Follow up with a light massage of the scalp. Make space for yourself. 10. Find some alone time. A hot soak in the company of bath bombs and candles might sound perfect, but any space that gives you privacy will work. All you need is 5 minutes of alone time to get you a wee bit closer to calm. Hey, press that I button to watch similar helpful videos. 1. Zen out and zone out. If your cubicle is less than calming, take a minute to find a spot that is. Sit beneath a tree, for example. If you can't escape, add something soothing to your space. Maybe that's an aromatic cup of herbal tea or a cozy sweater. Or just focus on your potted plant for a spell and breathe. 2. Get some rays. Need a slightly sunnier outlook? Seek out some natural light. No, not the beer. Sunlight, whether through a window or outside, can douse your worries. Trusted source. 3. Stare out the window. Give yourself permission to do absolutely nothing but gaze. Looking at nature scenes like trees and public parks can be more relaxing than staring at a tech screen. But even if nature is nowhere near, just viewing the outside world for a few minutes might get you out of your own head. 4. Wrangle clutter. If you're feeling scattered, it could be because clutter has taken over. Sort the files on your computer desktop. If you're not at work, do a 5-minute refresh of whatever space you're in for a new outlook. Maybe that just means making the bed. Try a little mindful movement. 5. Put your feet up. If you've been sitting all day, the legs up the wall yoga pose will rejuvenate sluggish calves or feet and much more. The restorative effects of the posture can help settle both body and mind. 6. Stretch it out. You don't need a 90-minute yoga session to reap the benefits of stretching. You can do it when you've got to stay put anywhere or when you're on the go. 7. Get your heart rate up. The hustle and bustle of the day can leave you feeling burnt out. Getting the blood and endorphins flowing can reinvigorate you to tackle whatever task is at hand. Bust out some burpees, jumping jacks, or push-ups. Or just jog in place. Even brief bouts of exercise can help beat stress. 8. Go for a stroll. Walk to the coffee shop for your favorite pick-me-up, or take Fluffy out to stretch his legs. A quick cruise around the block combines exercise with a change of scenery for a double whammy against worry. Flex your creative muscles. 9. Write it down. Putting your feelings on the page provides an outlet for what's on your mind. Try journaling about debt, work worries, or even peeves about your partner or roommate. Seeing the words might just give you a new perspective. 10. Listen to your favorite tunes. Surely you have a Spotify playlist to pep you up or soothe your soul. Crank it. Just listening to music has relaxation benefits. One study shows. Trusted source. And if you're not going to bug anyone else, go ahead and sing along. You know you want to. Hey, press that I button to watch similar helpful videos. Please like, share and subscribe to Everyday Infotainment. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to comment.